I am CH Rohitra. In 301, we learned how to create a Telegram bot channel, but in 401, we are integrating the bot channel with firestore database. For this, first we are creating a new bot, which I named it movie underscore ram underscore bot, and we used a username of Rohit underscore 2007 underscore bot. With this, we created a chatbot. Now it has provided us in an API key, which is this. Now we keep this token secure and store it safely. Yeah, now let's go into our code. So this is our code. We named it as index.js file, and we created a JSON file also. Now coming to the code, we use the Telegram token over here, and we have to use the OMDB API key, for which we have to log in to OMDB website, and over here we can see an option of API key. We can generate an API key for free by giving the email and our few personal details. I have already created it. So let's go into the program. So this project creates a Telegram chatbot using Node.js. When a user sends a movie name to the bot, it fetches movie details from the OMDB API and sends them back to the user. At the same time, every search is stored in the Firebase for future tracking and analysis. Library is used. The project uses three main libraries. First, the Telegram bot library is used to connect the program with Telegram and receives message from users. Second, the Axion is used to make HTTP requests to external APIs. Here it is responsible for fetching movie data and from the OMDB website. Third, the Firebase admin SDK is used to securely connect the application to the Firebase and then store data in the firestore database. Next is tokens and API keys. The Telegram bot token is used to authenticate the bot with Telegram servers. The OMDB API key allows the application to request movie information from the OMDB database. In real-world applications, these keys should never be hard-coded because they can be stolen and misused. Database initialization. The Firebase initialization. Firebase is initialized using a service account key. This key proves that the server is authorized to access Firebase services. After initialization, a connection to Firebase is created, so the application can store movie search data. Telegram bot initialization. The Telegram bot is created with polling enabled. Polling means the bot continuously checks Telegram servers for new messages. As soon as a user sends a message, the bot receives it instantly. Message handling unit. Whenever a message is received, the bot extracts the chat ID so it knows where to send the reply. It also extracts the text sent by the user, which is treated as the movie name. If the user sends an empty or invalid message, the bot immediately responds by asking for a valid movie name and stops further execution. Fetching movie data. The movie name is sent to the OMDB API as part of a request URL. The application waits for the API response and extracts the movie data from it. This data contains information such as title, release date, actors, and rating. Storing data in Firebase. Each movie search is stored in firestore. That stored data includes the Telegram user ID, username, movie name searched, whether the movie was found or not, and the exact server timestamp. This allows tracking of user activity and search history. Sending response to the user. If the movie is found, the bot sends a formatted message to the user. The message includes the movie title, release date, actors, and rating. If the movie is not found, the bot informs the user with a clear error message. In case of error handling, if any error occurs during the API call or database operations, the program catches it. Instead of crashing, the bot sends an user-friendly error message and logs the actual error in the console for debugging. Final summary. This project demonstrates real-time integration of a Telegram bot with an external API and a cloud database. It shows how to handle user input, fetch external data, store information securely, and respond intelligently to users. So this is the program. Now we are going to see the output. So first write node space file name .js. So the code is running. Now open the Telegram, go to your bot, search for any movie name. So see, we got the information about the movie name, release date, actors who acted, and the rating. So like this we can see the chatbot working. Let's see for another example. Let's see Solar. Yeah, we got it. So we use the firestore database. So let's check it. See over here. Let's refresh it once. See the data is stored here. Solar. So this is how we connect the database with the firestore. This is how we connect the firestore database with a chatbot. Thank you.